The shift you have been waiting for is here again. Some moments aren't just events, they are divine appointments. Sound of Pentecost Convention 2025 isn't just another gathering, it is the set time. 4 days, one encounter at Mighty Lamb International Church presents Sound of Pentecost Convention 2025. My set time. Ministry, Apostle Henry Young.
In his time, he makes all things beautiful.
Reverend George Izunwa.
Speak over everyone here that looks delayed. Before this year is over, my God, show you faithfulness.
Reverend Innocent Umeh. Host, Pastor Francis James. Date, Thursday 18th through Sunday 21st of September 2025. Time, 5:30 p.m. daily. Sunday, 9 a.m. Venue, Mighty Lamb International Church, 22 Mini-Orlu Road, off Ada George Road, Port Harcourt. Facebook at Mighty Lamb International Church. The Sound of Pentecost Convention 2025. The set time. Don't just mark your calendar. Prepare your heart as the God of heaven gives you an encounter.